Hey, how's it going, everyone? I want to go over a chart with you guys on MVIS, as MVIS had an amazing day today, and it looks like they could possibly continue going into next week, as they did hold strong going into after hours. And I wanted to go over an exact analysis on which indicators we will be looking out for on that breakout and exactly which alerts we will be setting, so that way we do not miss out on it. And again, much love to everybody in the comment section as always, as you guys have been showing me tons of love. And if you guys have not subscribed, we do go all out Monday through Friday on entries and breakouts. So definitely subscribe if you guys want to see more entries and breakouts and alerts that we do set for every stock, so that way you guys do not miss out on them. So again, I'm going to go over MVIS. I want to show you guys exactly which alerts I will be setting, so that way we do not miss out on it. Now, again, we did go up quite a bit, so I definitely would be careful. This would be a scalp play if it did break out, in my opinion. But however, we did see a lot of buy volume coming in. We did see a lot of sell volume coming in towards the end of the day, but we did consolidate. It looks like we did bounce off of the 20 MA here on the 15-minute. So we are going to set an alert to break out of our previous volume point here that we see here. So ultimately, we want to break above this, as we did see our price at this very point in time was right above where we are now. So we are going to try to break through this resistance at 1929. And in order to do that, we are going to need to break above our previous volume point that we were at when we were at that price. Again, we did hit this price twice and we got rejected 2 times here already. So we are going to try to break out of it. We do have a lot of volume coming in today. Again, we have 117 million volume at the end of the day with an average about 15 million. So we almost have 10 times as much volume as on average. Actually, it's about 8 times as much, but we are going to see if we can continue. I'm going to show you guys exactly which alert we are going to be setting. So you come over to the volume over here. We're going to go into settings, add an alert here, and we're going to create one. And then we're going to grab that alert and put it right above our volume point that we need to break out of. So we're going to put this right above our volume point here. So if it does give us that alert, then it will give us a notification, so that way we can buy into it. And of course, I will be making a video if that does happen. But however, MVIS does look like they could break out going into tomorrow. Next week, we could possibly see that happen. And again, we are going to see if that volume can continue and give us that confirmation. But however, we have very little volume compared to last time we did get to these prices. So at this point, it looks like we could possibly even see a sell-off. We're going to let next week play out going into Monday. But however, like I said, we could possibly see that sell-off at that exact same point that we saw previously. We actually got rejected multiple times at these levels. So we are going to see if we can break out of it. But however, like I said, we could see a continuation in the market, and that may even help this stock break out at that point. So we also are breaking above this 20 MA here. If this 20 MA can curl up and we can keep this 20 MA right below our candles and break out, that would be what we are going to be looking for. But however, if we do break below the 20 MA, in my opinion, we probably will sell off from there, and we will be testing the 50 MA at that point. And in my opinion, we would probably sell off even more from there, because at that point, in my opinion, we probably would see the 20 MA curling down. And at that point, we definitely don't want to be in the stock. So again, that is why we will set our alert right above our previous volume point. So that way, if we do break out, then we won't miss out on it. And also, we will set a MACD alert as well. We'll set it right above our previous MACD point that we saw. So again, you can see that we did actually have some sell pressure coming in at the end of the day, which is not very nice. But again, we do have a lot of volume. We could possibly break out. So we are going to set our alert for the buy pressure right above our previous buy pressure point. So that way, either if the volume does come in or the buy pressure first, we will make sure we do catch this before it does break out. And again, we want to buy on confirmation. We want to make sure we are getting volume with the plays that we have, so that way we can make even more profitable trades. If we do not, then we could see a huge pump fake. We might get wicked down at that point. We want to make sure we do buy on confirmation, in my opinion. This is not a recommendation. This is what I do. But again, much love to everybody in the comment section as always, as you guys have been showing me tons of love. If you guys do have a watch list, comments, anything on your mind that you guys would like to ask, throw it in the comment section. I love talking to you guys. And if you guys do like this video, it does help other people find it, and it does help the channel grow. And I do appreciate it very much. God bless you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.